What are pain and suffering damages? Pain and suffering damages are real and they matter. They reflect what you've gone through, the pain, the anxiety, and the changes to your life. Pain and suffering damages are calculated by ultimately a jury's perception of what you went through. So it's our job at Graham Law to understand that story and relay that to the insurance adjusters or the defendant in whichever case we're handling. Some examples of pain and suffering damages are the actual physical pain you've gone through. That can be documented through the medical records. The suffering, the anxiety reflected in your everyday life. The simple things that you used to be able to do but aren't able to do anymore or have to do with aid or assistance or it takes you longer. I mean, those are real life-altering changes that you go through. The events that you miss in somebody's life or your own life, or the fact that you have to sit in the back at somebody's wedding or a graduation instead of getting up front and taking that photograph. Those are the things that matter. And those are the stories that juries want to hear because they've got to be able to put themselves in that position. So if you tell them, it's one thing. If you show them, it's another. In Ohio, the law differentiates between economic loss and non-economic loss, which is commonly referred to as pain and suffering. So the economic loss is your medical bills, your lost wages, those types of things that you can calculate. The pain and suffering, that's the human suffering that is a story that has to be told. If you or a loved one have been injured, contact Graham Law for legal help.